welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Nike Air Max 97. That was collaborated with Undefeated. This one is the white version. The style number is A as in Apple, J as in Jerry, 1986-100. The colorway is sail/white, gorge green, and then speed red. It was dropped back in September 16, back in 2017. The retail price about $180, and right now the StockX is going for $770. This is size 9.5. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So let's get started, guys. So here we go. Hopefully I'm not gonna cut anything on the box. Let's see. So as you can see, it has a Nike. The box is kind of a little crushed, but anyway, that's fine. All we worry about is the shoes. Wow, very nice. As you can see, you got the Nike with the Nike swoosh. Swoosh, just do it. And this is made in Vietnam. So let me give you guys the 360 view of the box real quick. As you can see, it is Undefeated logo right here in the shiny finish, glossy black font. And then you got the Undefeated. You got the Nike swoosh all the way out on the edge of the box. So it's on both sides. So here is the size, 9.5. Nike Air Max 97 OG Undefeated. UK size is 8.5. Euro is 43. Made in Vietnam. Okay. That is a metal ring right here with the Nike swoosh logo on here. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So here is the shoes. You got this nice Nike embroidery right here. And you got this Undefeated white in white lettering on the red lining. So this green and red remind me of Gucci colorway. So I believe looks like those silver might be 3M. I gotta turn on the light in order to find out or to see. And on the outsole, you got this green swoosh Nike logo right there. There's a green decal right here, and then red curvy lines. On the back it says Air Max. And on the insole, you got the Nike swoosh logo, collaborate with the Undefeated logo right there. Then there's a size label right here. So on the tongue, you got this Undefeated on the top of the tongue as a, I'm not sure, it's like a pull tab. And you got that Nike with the green stitching embroidery logo right there. So the tongue is pretty padded. So it's gonna make your feet or your feel very comfortable. And this is the lace system. And then this is the other shoes. I was going to get the black one, but the black one looks more like a custodian or worker shoe. So anyway, the white one worth more money. So but unfortunately, the white one gets dirty fast. So we'll see how this one holds up. So you got this Nike embroidery again on the outside of the left shoes. So I'm going to turn on the flash to see if any of the 3M shows up. Okay. So let's view these shoes real quick. I mean this side. Size label again right there. So I'm going to turn on the flash before we go and then do a try on. So I'll be back. Wow, okay, so I was right around this stripes. It is 3M, as you can see. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I can see it right now with the flash is on. So right here is all 3M. And then right here as well. Somehow in the front right here shows more than around this. I'm not sure if somehow it fades it away or something. Oh, so right here, where the white part, not the silver. My bad. So around this white stripes, not the silver material or the mesh. Alright, so hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you guys are new, and be sure to turn on that bell for notification, and then drop any of the comments on below. Alright, so I'm going to do try it on right now for you guys to check it out on feet.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?